everybody, Judy here. Today we're covering yellow squash, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with yellow squash. So if you're looking for something a little different to do, a little different way to flavor them, hopefully this will help you out. Alright, on this list we have allspice, basil, capers, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, coriander, curry powder, dill, fennel seeds, garlic, ginger, Italian seasoning, the different blends that are available, and marjoram, mint, mustard seeds, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, black pepper, rosemary, saffron, sage, salt, savory, tarragon, and thyme. That's quite a list, so there's a lot that you can do with your yellow squash. I hope this helps. Take care and bye for now.